Okay, let's try this other one. So we want the inflection points and where this is concave up and concave down. So concavity comes from our second derivative. So let's start finding derivatives. We get 4x cubed minus 12x squared. And then we get 12x squared minus 24x. Let's factor out a 12x. What does that leave me with? Sorry, it's hard to math tonight. X minus 2. So we're going to make a sign chart for the second derivative. The second derivative is 0 at 0 and at 2. We're going to plug in numbers. So let's plug in a number less than 0. The 12 times a negative number will be negative. The negative number minus 2 will be negative. So we're getting a positive value out here. Plugging in, say, 1 will give me a positive times a negative. So that'll be a negative. And then plugging in 3 will give me a positive times a positive. So this gives me a positive. So my function is concave up, which I just write CU for concave up because that's easier. It doesn't stand for Clemson University, although I guess it could. So this will be concave up when the second derivative is positive, so negative infinity to 0 and 2 to infinity. And then my function is concave down, which I abbreviate by CD, where the second derivative is negative, so from 0 to 2. We notice that the sign changes. It goes from positive to negative and then from negative to positive at both 2 and 0. So our inflection points are both at x equals 0 and at x equals 2.